If your computer is running quite sluggish or slow when playing games, then I have some great tips that help to improve your computer's performance and your ability to run games better. The first feature I want to talk about is game mode. You can turn this feature on by accessing the settings menu. On the left hand side, scroll down to gaming, locate game mode in the middle of the screen, and click the turn on switch. This feature is designed to optimize your system for gaming. What that means is essentially your computer will start to prioritize CPU and GPU resources so that your games can run as smoothly as possible. The next thing I want to talk about is the graphics settings. Windows 11 allows you to customize graphics performance settings on a per application basis. This means you can specify whether a game should run with high performance, balanced, or an on power saving setting. You can enable this by going to settings, under system, locate display, scroll down to graphics. In the graphics settings window, you will see an option to add an application. Click browse and find the application you'd like to alternate. Next, click on options to open the graphics preference settings for the application of your choice. A window will pop up giving you 3 options. Choose high performance to ensure the application takes full advantage of your hardware capabilities. Lastly, just click on save to really apply the changes. DirectX 12 is the latest version of Microsoft's graphics API. This includes support for advanced gaming technologies like ray tracing, variable rate shading, and mesh shaders. Ray tracing provides realistic lighting, shadows, and reflections, enhancing the visual fidelity of games. Variable rate allows developers to prioritize rendering power for the most important parts of the game, which improves the overall performance. Mesh shaders enables more complex and detailed environments without compromising performance. Together, these features ensure that games run optimal while also making sure they look great. In order to achieve DirectX 12, you want to make sure Windows is updated to the latest version. You can do this by opening up the Windows settings menu, navigate to update and security, locate Windows Update, click for check updates, and install any available updates to ensure you have the latest version of Windows 11. The next thing you want to make sure of is if your graphics drivers are updated. For anyone using NVIDIA graphics cards, you can use the GeForce Experience app that comes pre-installed. Navigate to updates and click check for updates. Download any available driver updates. For AMD users, you can use the AMD Radeon alternative following the same steps. If you made it to the end and you found any of these tips helpful, let me know in the comments which one made the biggest difference for you or what other tips you would like to see. And again, thank you for watching.